In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add privacy policy in GoHighLevel. A dedicated privacy policy page builds trust, helps with compliance, and is often required by ad platforms and payment processors. We'll create a clean, standalone page inside your GoHighLevel site or funnel so it's easy to find and easy to link. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to the site or funnel where you want the policy to live. In the left sidebar, go to Pages. This is where all your public-facing pages are managed, and it's the right place to add legal documents like a privacy policy. Next, click Add New Page. You'll be creating a simple page whose only job is to host your policy text, so keeping it minimal is best for readability and search engines. Give the page a clear name. Privacy policy works perfectly because it's immediately recognizable to visitors and teammates. Using a straightforward name also makes it easier to search for the page later if you have a large site. Now, set a URL path. Keep it short, lowercase, and descriptive, like privacy policy or privacy. Using hyphens instead of spaces helps with SEO and makes the link more readable when you share it. A clean URL is also what ad platforms typically expect when they scan your site for required legal pages. Click Add to create the page. You'll be taken into the page builder, where you can fine-tune the basic settings. If you see another name field here, confirm it matches privacy policy, so everything stays consistent across your account. At the top of the page, add a title that clearly states what the page is. A simple privacy policy heading, styled as a prominent H1, is perfect. Make sure the text color and size are easy to read against your background. Now add your privacy policy content. You can paste in your existing policy or type it directly into a text element. Break the content into clear sections with subheadings like Information we collect, How we use information, Cookies, Data security, and Contact. Use short paragraphs, add spacing between sections, and consider a slightly larger body font for accessibility. If you're pasting from another document, clear any odd formatting so the text matches your site's style. And remember, your policy should reflect your actual practices. If you're unsure about the wording, consult a qualified professional or use a reputable template and customize it to your business. That's it. You've created a dedicated privacy policy page in GoHighLevel that's clear, accessible, and ready to link anywhere you need it.